Ever since Apple released their AirPods back in December of 2016, there has been a whole lot of buzz and popularity over the truly wireless earbuds category. And the interest is totally understandable because once you cut that cord and you're free from those annoying cables forever, you don't go back. Apple's been really trying to push the whole wireless market ever since they got rid of the headphone jack in their iPhone 7. However, these don't even come bundled with the latest and most expensive iPhone that you can get. Not many people will want to shell out that $159 to get that truly wireless experience. So there are plenty of other small companies who have made their own version of truly wireless earphones, and they're scattered all over Amazon. So I have already previously reviewed 2 of them, and now I'm going to put together this video to compare what are the differences between the Apple AirPods and some budget truly wireless earphones. So for this comparison, I'll be using the Shid World truly wireless earphone and also the one by Smarttomy. Both of them are priced around $40 to $50 on Amazon. As usual, I'll put the link in the description if you guys are interested. So first, let's compare the designs. So budget doesn't necessarily mean ugly and bulky. In fact, the Shid World is actually sleeker and even smaller than the Apple AirPods, and is in this covetous black color, which Apple AirPods only come with this bright white color. Plus, not everybody's on board with Apple AirPods' debatable looks. Then there's the matter of fit, and this is another plus for cheaper earphones because they tend to come with various size ear tips that you can customize to fit your own ears, whereas again, Apple AirPods are set to only one size standard. But connectivity to your devices is where the Apple AirPods shine. Although they are completely geared towards Apple devices with their seamless connection using the W1 chip, however, they can still be paired normally through Bluetooth to any other device. The connection is as you would expect with a typical Bluetooth pairing earphone, but you would think that it would be the same thing with the truly wireless cheap alternatives, but it's not. For both the Shid World and the Smarttomy earphones, you have to press one earphone first, make sure that it connects to the other earbud before connecting to your device. Both of these budget truly wireless earphones come with Bluetooth 4.1 or higher, which means they can pair up to 2 devices at the same time. However, because that it needs to pair to the other earbud first, you really are only limited to one device. And then for sound quality, neither of these earphones would rock this category. Though I would definitely give the edge to the Apple AirPods, even though they don't have superior sound quality for the price, but they have very nice, clear, distinct sound that don't distort at high volumes and without any kind of background buzz. Unfortunately, the same cannot be said for both of these cheaper earphones, particularly the Shid World one. Even though I really love the design, unfortunately one deal breaker for me was those slight buzzing sound in the background even without music on. Then in terms of battery life, Apple AirPods definitely win in this department, offering at least 1 or 2 hours more than the other counterparts. So depending on the volume of listening, you can expect about 2 to 3 hours for the budget ones and about 4 to 5 hours for the Apple AirPods. When the Apple AirPods are low on battery, just stick them into their included charging case and it charges up real fast. It has a quick charging capability of with just 15 minutes of charge, you can get up to 3 hours of listening time. As for the budget options, well, this is where there's the greatest variation. The Smarttomys, for instance, don't even come with a charging case. It has a splitting 2 micro USB cable that you have to plug one per earbud, and the location is really awkward because it has to try to fit it in on such a small surface area. But then on the other side of the spectrum, we have the Shid World with a charging case, and it has a really nice one too because it also has a magnetic lid and magnetic alignment for the earbuds, and the earbuds are actually pretty much universal, so they can fit on either slot. There's no distinction between left and right, and it has a nice little indicator right on the outside. So where the cheapness comes to show is just the material quality and also the bulkier size. So now here on the screen is just a quick little summary comparing the 2 types of truly wireless earphones. But so far I've really only been comparing what both of them have in common, but what AirPods really stand out against the truly wireless options are these features that are not offered at all at a budget price. So AirPods uses a tap control as opposed to physical buttons, and this is really important because tap controls require a much higher degree of precision as opposed to just physically actuated buttons. So having a tap as opposed to pressing down a button every time you want to change the track, for instance, would mean that you are reducing the amount of pressure that you're applying to your ear to reduce any kind of ear fatigue. And with these tap controls give you more variation, so you're allowed to say summon Siri as well. And also there's that awesome feature of when you take out the earbud, it would automatically pause whatever music or video that you're listening to. The microphone is also extremely outstanding because it's able to isolate your voice against any noisy environment that you may be in. And finally, it has that feature Find My AirPods, so if you're one of those people who constantly lose their earphones with the wire, you most likely will be losing it even more with these truly wireless earbuds. So it's really great that Apple has this Find My iPhone feature for these AirPods. So there you have it, guys, a full rundown between the Apple AirPods and some budget options. If you're interested in purchasing one or the other, I'll put the links in the description so you guys can get it for their cheapest price available. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like, it'd be greatly appreciated, and make sure to subscribe to my channel Skyforce95 if you haven't already to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.